Hello, welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to do the back post DC. The abbreviation for back post DC is BPDC, and this is the symbol. The back post DC is similar to the front post DC. The only difference is we grab the post of the stitch through the back. So chain 2 for the turning chain. Now let's do the first stitch. Yarn over, take your hook to the back of the work like this, insert your hook through this gap and take it back again. So we have grabbed the post of the stitch through the back. Now yarn over, pull up a stitch, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops. We will yarn over and finish the stitch. So this is how we do a back post DC. Let's do that again. Yarn over, grab the post through the back like this, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now finish the DC. As you can see here, the back post DC creates a ridge like this, horizontally. Now let's do this one last time. So yarn over, insert your hook through the work from the back and pull up a loop. Complete the DC. So this is how you make the back post DC. Keep practicing this stitch, and in the next lesson I will meet you where we will learn how to do the slip stitch, and we will also learn how to fasten off the work once you've completed it. Happy hooking!